Happy Monday. It's a good day today. You want to know how I started out a great day? Well, I woke up. That's good. But I woke up because I had to go pick up a sign for someone who I did a sign for. And I picked up the sign, and Mom and their 6-year-old son came outside telling me how much they enjoyed the sign, how much they appreciated it, and that her son was very upset that I had to take it. And I don't know. Now, it's not good that they were upset, but that makes me feel awesome. You know, makes me feel like I did. It confirmed, today confirmed that I brought some level of joy to those two people, which is good. I'll take it. All right. And I'm proud of that. And if you did that this morning or yesterday or a month ago or the last week, I'm confident that you've brought joy to people as well. The purpose for this video. This may not be a joyful conversation that you want to hear, but it needs to be said. Because I received a phone call today from a very large organization letting me know that there was behaviors going on in my group that will no longer be tolerated in any of the yard card groups, but mine specifically, because this is my group. So I received that phone call. I was informed that over the weekend that there were a number of people that I'll leave nameless that are posting images of handbags, Louis Vuitton handbags, trademark cartoons or dolls, you know, other people's patent pending items from other groups that they say that they're willing to sell. I mean, listen, this has been an issue since we've started. I've talked about this. I've even said in my group that if you're going to steal images like the Avengers, like Star Wars, and use them in their yards and then post pictures about it in my group, you're going to have to suffer the consequences. Now, your actions that are going on in my group are causing me discomfort. Which means that A, I need to look at that, and B, I also need to acknowledge that if I have inventory in my yard sign group, or yard sign business, that is trademarked, I'm breaking the law. And before I defaulted to, you're an adult, you know, you're going to make that decision, and that's up to you. But my view on that has changed. I can no longer condone members selling and talking about taking other companies or other people's intellectual property. I've worked too hard on my own. Look at my sign fairy collection. It took me like a month to make that, not longer. I don't know how I'd feel if someone stole it. I know how I'd feel. I'd be upset. It's basically walking into someone's house, taking a shit on their kitchen table, and telling them to eat it. That's what that's like. That's what you're saying. Now, my new opinion is this, that if you are selling images, software, anything that has any trademarked material on it, willingly, that is wrong. It's my opinion. You can disagree. But what I can tell you is I'm no longer going to accept that happening in my group. And I'm going to have to learn more about it as we go. But I can't be a part of that anymore. So if you disagree, that's fine. If you think I'm rude or disrespectful, that's fine. I don't give a shit. Go somewhere else. Complain to somebody else who cares, because I don't. All right? This is a group about learning how to create and make things for your yard. Not steal and not sell other people's shit. Okay? Go join yard card I steal other people's shit groups and sell it for a profit, if that's what you want to do. And I'm not going to say any names because that would be rude and wrong. But what I'll simply say to you is that in this group that is run by me, I am no longer targeting, I'm no longer accepting that my group members will do that willingly or unwillingly. Okay? So, there you go. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly. This is black and white. Okay? You either reach into the cash register and take money out of the cash register that isn't yours and put it in your pocket, or you don't. I don't care what excuse is justified or unjustified. You're either doing it and you're not. And you know what? I did it. I just installed the superhero sign. I'm mortified. I feel terrible. I even have one on my website. I gotta get rid of it now. So, I'm not calling anyone out specifically. I'm calling myself out and saying that my views on this have changed, and you should consider thinking about changing your views as also. Or don't. Whatever. You're just not going to tolerate that shit here anymore. Okay? Sorry if I hurt your feelings. I don't care if I hurt your feelings. This isn't an encounter group. This isn't an inner child group. This is Sign Fairies, learn how to make plastic letters and yard decorations group. And that's what we do here. Okay? That's it. That's what this group's purpose is. There you go. I'm no more Mr. Nice Guy. You do it and you don't know that you're supposed to do it, you're gone. I didn't know. Why aren't you at least giving me some input about it? No, I don't care. You should know about it now. I just joined the business. It's just someone said that. No. I can't do it anymore. I'm wasting too much time dealing with this crap. And I don't have time for it. So I don't have time for liars and cheaters and thieves. Do you?